But that's why me I love Vanessa. Vanessa, do they give her hello? Vanessa, na fire dancer. Yeah, she tell me master, can you do it faster?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Vanessa. So this video is going to be about my full coverage sweat proof foundation routine using some of my favorite products and technique at the moment. So if you're interested, keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and also like, comment, First, I'm going to prep my skin so the foundation will glide on smoothly. I already moisturized my face with my Believe Aqua Bomb moisturizer. It's supposed to hydrate your face, but to be honest, I just like how it feels on my face. And then following that, I'm going to use one of my favorite primer ever, the Tarte Clean Slate Smoothing Primer. It's supposed to reduce the appearance of pores and smooth out your skin texture. I just love it because it helps my T-zone stay matte, and it also smooth out my skin texture. Next, I'm going to color correct. You don't need to do this step if your face is perfect or if you don't mind some discoloration peeking through. So I'm using MAC Studio Conceal and Correct Duo in Pure Orange and Ochre. You can also use a cheaper option like the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Orange. It's like $3. Just taking a small amount and pat that into my skin. I'm going to go in with one of my favorite foundation brushes, which is the Smashbox Powder Foundation Brush, with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, the color Chestnut, and I'm going to blend that all over my face. Even though it's not a matte foundation, it doesn't make me oily, so I really like it. But let's talk a little about this brush though. It's quite pricey. I think it's about $40, but it's really good. It gives me an airbrush finish. I love using it with cream, like liquid, powder, foundation, and I do not own any brush like that, so But whenever I don't use that brush, I like to use my Real Technique buffing brush, which is really good too, and it's only $8. I'm now checking my face to see if I need any extra coverage, which I don't, thanks to the color correcting that I did. And time to highlight and contour. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, which is not that much lighter than my complexion, to put that in under my eyes area, on the bridge of my nose, and other areas of my face, just to highlight and bring some life into my face, and blend that in with my Real Technique setting powder brush. For my contour, I'm using my ABH Stick Foundation, the color Ebony, to contour my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, to make it look snatched, my jawline area to hide my double chin, basically bringing back definition and shape to my face. I'm looking good. I could walk out the house like this. I'm blending everything in with my Real Technique Expert Face Brush.
Smoking on the low, counting on my low. Baby, buy me no. They try to put the X on me. They bring out the best out me. Now I'm gonna flex on you.
I always double highlight with 2 different concealers, so do not judge me. I have to slay. Using my Tarte Shape Tape in Tan, I'm putting a small amount on places that I have highlighted before, just so my highlight will pop even more. And quickly set my entire face with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. This step is very important if you want to stay matte all day. Using my Mercier translucent powder to set my under eye to make it look a little brighter. So time for some blush. I'm using Raisin by MAC with a fluffy brush and apply that onto my cheeks very lightly so it will look soft and very natural. And then highlight my cheekbone with my Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter, and I'm using a Morphe brush. Finally, setting my entire face with my Urban Decay setting spray and quickly fanning my face until it dries. I learned that trick from Nikki tutorials and it really works. It really helps you stay matte all day. Ooh, this is cute. So this is it, guys. So if you follow these steps, you will stay matte all day long, and all the products will be listed in the description box. And please, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications. You can also like and let me know in the comment section how I can improve on my videos. Thank you.